Hi, welcome to our class here in MASE 7123. Today, we will going to talk about the promotion activities specifically in computer-based instruction or CB&I.
Let's have an overview on the things that we will gonna talk about for this day. First is the introduction, second is the interactive learning adventures, third is the gamifying the experience, fourth is the personalized learning journeys, fifth is the accessibility at your fingertips, sixth is the valuable insights and improvement, and the last are the sources and references. Hi, I'm Diane, and I'll be your guide to computer-based instruction here in MASE 7123. Join with me in this journey. With no further ado, let's have the introduction. It is undeniably fact that technology is everywhere, specifically computers. Imagine interactive learning experiences that not only educate but also spark the excitement about your initiative. That's the power of computer-based instruction, or CBI, in promoting activity. Let's proceed to the interactive learning adventures. This includes interactive demos. This grabs engaging tutorials or simulations that let users explore your product or service in a hands-on way. This is perfect for complex offerings that require user interaction. For example, if you have a software product, instead of just providing a static tutorial or manual, you could create an interactive demo where users can actually interact with the software interface, try out different features, and see how it works in real time. This not only helps users understand the product better but also increases their engagement and retention of information, especially to the student. Interactive demos have four features. First is the customized experience, in which interactive demos can be tailored to cater to different user needs and preferences. By allowing users to interact with the product or service, they can explore various features and functionalities based on their interests. Second feature is the real-time feedback. Users receive immediate feedback during the interaction, which can enhance their understanding and proficiency. This feedback mechanism can be used to highlight key points, correct misconceptions, and reinforce learning objectives. Third feature is the engagement and retention. Hands-on experience are known to increase engagement and improve information retention compared to passive learning methods, and these interactive demos make learning enjoyable and memorable, leading to higher user satisfaction and loyalty. And the last feature is the problem-solving opportunities, in which users can encounter simulated scenarios or challenges within the demo environment, providing them with opportunities to apply critical thinking and problem-solving skills. This fosters a deeper understanding of the product or service and prepares users to real-world situations. Let me show you a short clip about interactive learning adventures.
So how do you create interactive guides for your application? UserLane comes with a fantastic AI-powered editor that creates the guides for you, while you simply go through the process step by step that you want to explain. So that's our editor, and I just need to start the record mode. From now on, everything I do, and I mean everything, will become part of the interactive guide I'm creating, and users will be required to do exactly what I'm doing to proceed. Once I'm done, the click path is ready, and I can edit the speech bubbles by adding more information, images, GIFs, or even videos to make the interactive guides even more interactive. Done. The interactive walkthrough is now live, and anybody can use it with the help of their virtual assistant.
Next, computer-based instruction, or CBI, is the gamifying the experience. Gamification is a design in which engaging quizzes or games that test user knowledge about your activity incentivize participation with the rewards or recognition to keep them hooked. Gamifying the experience have 4 features. The first is engaging the content, in which design quizzes or games that are not only fun but also aligned with the learning objectives or key concepts of your activity. Incorporate multimedia elements such as images, videos, or interactive elements to make the experience visually appealing and interactive. The second is varied formats, in which it offers a variety of quiz formats or game types to cater the multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks experiences or exercises, and matching games, crossword puzzles, or even interactive simulations. The third is the progressive difficulty, in which gradually increase the difficulty level or complexity of questions or challenges as users progress through the quiz or game. This helps maintain user interest and provide a sense of accomplishment as they overcome increasingly challenging tasks. The last is the instant feedback, in which it provides immediate feedback on user responses to reinforce learning and facilitate self-assessment. This is a positive reinforcement for correction or correcting the answers, and constructive feedback to incorrect ones that can help users learn from their mistakes and improve their understanding. Let me show you a short video about gamifying the experience.
Are you looking for a fun and engaging way to teach your students or employees? Teachers and leaders around the world are using Trivia Maker to create exciting game show style quizzes for their classrooms and training rooms. Creating a game is simple. It only takes a few minutes on your phone, tablet, or computer. You can even customize it with your own colors, music, and branding. Once it's done, you can project it to the big screen and host it like a pro. Download Trivia Maker today in the App Store.
Now let's proceed to the personalized learning journeys. Personalized learning journey is crafting or developing CPI that adapts to individual learning styles and progress, providing personalized feedback and recommendations to keep users motivated. Tailored learning, often referred to as a personalized learning, involves customizing educational experiences to meet the unique needs, preferences, and learning styles of individual learners. Here's an expansion of the concept within the context of CPI or computer-based instruction. First is the incentives and rewards. This incorporates gamification elements such as points, badges, levels, or virtual rewards to incentivize progress and achievements within the CPI system. It recognizes and celebrates users' accomplishment to reinforce desired behaviors and maintain motivation. The second is goal setting, in which it encourages users to set specific, achievable goals within the CBI platform and track their progress towards their goals over time. Breaking down long-term objectives into smaller, manageable milestones enhances motivation and provides a sense of accomplishment within each achievement. The last one is the personal connection, in which it fosters a sense of connection and belonging within the learning community by providing opportunities for social interaction, collaboration, and peer support. It encourages users to share their experiences, insights, and challenges within each other, creating a supportive learning environment. Now let me give you a clip about personalized learning journeys.
In most settings, all students are expected to learn material at the same time and in the same way. Many find themselves either ahead or behind others, and learning outcomes suffer, particularly for students who need extra time to master the material. Flipped courses, competency-based education, and online and hybrid classes are changing the way we think about learning. Flexibility in delivery creates opportunities with learning that adapts to the needs of each student. Combining new learning models with digital courseware, integrated planning and advising for student success, and analytics can create a learning ecosystem that tailors support to individual students. For example, an e-textbook could share data with a learning management system about the number of pages read, time spent on each page, notes made, or number of times a video is watched. An analytics tool could evaluate those data for patterns associated with engagement, achievement, and course success. The tool could trigger alerts to students and faculty when problems arise. An adaptive learning system could adjust learning content on the fly based on data from an online quizzing tool that shows each student's mastery of the material. Prior learning assessment credits skills and knowledge individuals have when they enter a course. In a competency-based program, students move to the next unit as soon as they demonstrate mastery of the specified learning objectives. Advisors would have access to data and tools that enable them to tailor guidance and degree planning support to help students maintain progress toward completion. Instructors see which students need extra help and which would benefit from new challenges to keep them engaged. This integration of tools and systems facilitates the kind of personalized learning that can improve learning outcomes, boost student confidence and accountability, and increase rates of retention and, ultimately, degree completion.
Let's proceed to the accessibility at your fingertips. Accessibility at your fingertips offers us a 24/7 availability in which CBI allows users to access promotional information and learning materials anytime, anywhere, at their own pace. Accessibility at your fingertips emphasizes the convenience and flexibility offered by computer-based instruction in providing users with access to promotional information and learning materials. Here's an expansion of this concept. First is the flexible learning schedule. With CBI, users have the flexibility to access promotional content and learning materials at any time, day or night, without being constrained by traditional classroom hours or office schedules. This flexibility accommodates users with busy lifestyles, varying work schedules, or other commitments. The second is the global access, in which CBI transcends geographical barriers, enabling users from around the world to access promotional information and learning resources, regardless of their location, whether users are in different time zones, or remote areas. With limited access to educational facilities, they can still engage with the content at their own convenience. The last is on-demand learning. Users have the freedom to engage with the content at their own pace, pausing, rewinding, or revisiting sections as needed. This self-directed learning approach empowers users to tailor their learning experience to suit their individual preferences, learning styles, and of course, comprehension levels. Let me show you a short video about accessibility at your fingertips.
What is e-learning? E-learning stands for electronic learning. It allows users to take courses online using electronic devices such as a computer, tablet, and even a smartphone. With e-learning, users can take courses from all around the world, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. E-learning is a proven and effective way to educate your students while tracking their participation and assessment, all at a small fraction of the cost of traditional training. Using e-learning in your business, you can remove travel costs for your students as well as accommodations, training material, and teacher salary costs. E-learning courses are easy to maintain and update. With the power of e-learning, you allow your users to learn at their own pace and present them with engaging learning through the use of audio, video, interactive games, simulations. E-Learning Media Inc. is an industry leader in e-learning development, and we are here to answer your questions.
Now, let's have a valuable insights and improvements. Valuable insights and improvements track user engagement, in which it monitors user interaction with the CBI to understand their learning journey and identify areas for refining your promotional content. Monitoring user engagement within a computer-based instruction or CBI system is crucial for understanding how users are interacting with the content and platform. Here's an expansion of this concept. First, is the frequency of access. This tracks how often users log in to the CDI platform and how long they spend on each session. Understanding usage patterns help identify trends in user behavior and engagement levels. Second is the session duration. This analyzes the average duration of every user session to gauge the level of user immersion and interest in the content. Longer session durations may indicate higher engagement and interest in the material. The last is time of access. It determines the times of day or days of a week when users are most active of their platform. This information can be used to optimize content, delivery schedules, and promotional efforts. Here's a clip of valuable insights and improvements.
Believe it or not, there's a way that you can watch what people do on your site. And no, it's not as creepy as it sounds. It's 100% compliant with privacy laws. Let me show you how. Hotjar's tools give you tons of cool data about your users. After adding the tracking code to your site, you'll get access to things like heat maps, which show you how far users scroll, what they click, and where they move their mouse. But that's not all. Session recordings let you watch playbacks of actual people using your site. It's like being in the same room as your users. Both heat maps and session recordings can help you see how people navigate your site, how they interact with key elements, and where they get stuck. With that info, you'll know which changes will actually improve your site's user experience. Try it for yourself.
Finally, let me show you the sources and references. Here are the list of my references and sources. That's all for today. Thank you for tagging along with me and have a wonderful day.